Very much. Well, we've got the new clothes, all the school supplies, but before your child heads back to school, you want to make sure to get their eyes checked. Dr. Laura Painter from Greensboro Eye Care Associates is here to talk more about the importance of getting our eyes checked before we head off to school. I was just telling her, I remember in 3rd grade, that's when I could no longer see the chalkboard. So that's when the eyes started going for me. Talk to us about how important it is for kids and how it really affects them in the classroom.
Yes, so we believe that every child, it's just their vision is an important part of their well-being. To ensure that they perform at their best academic and athletic performances, we recommend for yearly eye examinations just to make sure everything is at top notch to make sure that they can succeed.
Right, so because I know for a lot of kids, they probably don't really pick up maybe on the fact they can't see this and see that, and so it's better just to go ahead and get it checked.
Oh yes, my most common, when I talk to a little child in the chair, I'll ask them, how is your vision doing? Fine. And when they like reading 100 on the board, and I was like, okay, well, we'll double check everything, but for some things to watch out for as a parent is if you notice your child squinting when they're looking at something far away, or if you notice that they're rubbing their eyes a lot or kind of blinking a lot, or any complaints of maybe headaches after reading for long periods of time. Right. It can't hurt just to bring them in to make sure that everything's kind of up to speed.
Gotcha. And I know a lot more kids are into their iPads and their phones and close to the TV and all this stuff. Yes. That can really hurt the eyes as well.
Yeah, I mean, whenever we look at something that's computer range or closer, we use our reading eye muscle to help focus on things. So we recommend for frequent breaks, we have a 20-20-20 rule. So for every 20 minutes of computer work or for reading, we recommend looking at something 20 feet or further away for 20 seconds. That way it'll give the eyes a nice break from focusing so hard up close.
Easy way to remember that. Easy way to remember that. I thought it was fascinating. In American's lifetime, they'll go see the dentist for a cleaning 160 times in their lifetime, but they'll only go to the eye doctor. This was a 16?
Yes, I mean, it's interesting when we have patients kind of mid-30s just coming in, and it's just nuts when I think about it a little bit, but it's just an important thing just to keep up with every year.
Something to keep in mind. All right, Dr. Laura Painter, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you so much for having me.
All right.